animal species, everything. So in marine biology, he speaks about the pearls, shells, and he talks about where it's fished. So he says it's fished in China, in Ceylon. It's good to shoot the camels with the drones. If you can get it as far as there. We can anchor here. We will cruise to the mangrove later on. Okay. For the shooting, for the kayaking.
Perfect.
And
Sabihan ko si ano, sabihan ko si Sarah.
and fried the
Ito na ate. Ito ang lumang. Yes, yan yung may curve nga. Feeling ko malaki rin to kay Nura dear. Kahit ano yun yan. Pero mas maganda to kasi nakita.
For over thousands of years, the history of Ras Al Khaimah was linked to the travel of the Greek coming and reporting the situation in the Gulf, speaking about the beautiful mountain here and the beautiful pearls. The Roman followed, speaking out highly about how pearl is perfect and exquisite in comparison with other pearl found around the world. These pearls are so adored for its beauty. And Bellini the Elder, in his book History of Nature, spoke highly about it and gave it a description of perfection and exquisition. The Arab travelers, the Persians, the Indians, the Portuguese, European, the Dutch coming into the Gulf in the 14th, 15th, 16th centuries, the British followed. They all were captured with the beauty of these adored pearls. The unique thing about Ras Al Khaimah pearls is that unlike other pearls in the world, the colors here are 13 different colors. Start from the beautiful white color luster into the darkest grayish bluish color. And you can just name it. The pinkish, the bluish, the green, all color of the rainbows and the colors that known for humanity is available in the production of these oysters. Whereas other places in the world produce two or one color or focus on that color. These colors are naturally made by the oyster itself. It cannot be controlled by a human, and it comes blessings from Almighty God. The quality in comparison, our pearl with the huge nacre depositions does not require any chemical treatment to make clusters. A quick wash with the salt water and a scrubbing of natural salt water and another wash with the fresh water make it ready to be in market. This pearls is an organic, and our production is very small in comparison to what is produced around the world. But again, we focus not on the mass production. We focus on the quality, not the quantity. I will continue focusing on producing larger pearl, beautiful pearls, and enhance the experience. And there's a lot of surprises will come in the future with our research and development team that comes from different places around the world. They're so passionate about the pearls. So we have a task to produce a very beautiful large pearls that compete other pearls available in the world. We here a 360-degree sustainable project. We contribute into the environment by producing our own natural oyster. We do not touch the wild ones. The hatcheries that we have is not a complicated modern scientific laboratory hatcheries. It's natural. It's happened in the natural phenomena, and we contribute to the with the extra oysters in the environment. Pearl oyster known to be filtering the water, so one can filter a specific percentage of the water surrounding. You can imagine with me putting a 100,000 oyster in one place is like putting a big filtration machine in this bay. So as you see, it's a very healthy bay, very colorful, because of the role that these oysters are playing. From the oyster, nothing is wasted. Many people think we are only using the pearls, but actually we are using every part of the oyster after the opening. So the mother of the pearls goes into a jewelry and accessories and designing products. The meat the muscles that can be used for delicate dishes by high-end restaurants. The remaining body of the oyster are gathered and washed with the fresh water, dried, ground, and used as an organic fertilizer. I personally have tried it, and it's produced the finest vegetable in my backyard at home, and I really enjoy a very delicious vegetable like tomatoes, okra, cucumbers, and carrots. So nothing is wasted. It's a 360-degree. There is no carbon outcomes from our setup because we do not use electricity. We do not use any sort of modern equipment. We're using our inherited tools and method from my ancestors with the modern technologies of how to environmentally sustain this project and the oysters.
What they do with it, but mainly it's not going to be for sale. So this is a type of pearls that you get in natural pearl. From here, yes. These are natural pearl, the best collection of natural pearl.
Did you collect these yourself?
Yes.
In terms of how much pressure and damage they can resist, right?
Where? Inside the oyster or
The actual pearl itself, it's pretty strong.
It's very strong.
Yeah.
It's a stone.
Yeah.
It is a stone. But, you know, we do here for people who comes. But pearl, an Arabian pearl in specific, is the right investment. Where you really get an authentic piece. Not natural, it's culture. we'll do another time with another one. شوف لي وحدة فاتحة ثانية. هاي لحظة لا أحط أكبر.